Hongfa, founded in 1990 in Linyi, Shandong Province. After more than 30 years of development, has successfully established Shandong Hongfa Scientific Industrial and Trading Company Limited, Shandong Lianfeng Building Materials Technology Company Limited, Guangxi Hongfa Heavy Machinery Company Limited, Guangxi Hongfa Building Materials Technology Company Limited, Nanning Industrial Investment Hongfa Heavy Machinery Company Limited, India Rising Hongfa, etc. Mainly produce building materials machinery, environmental protection machinery, mining machinery, hydro-generating machinery, and high-level building materials, and so on. The annual output of machinery is more than 8,000 sets, and running well in many countries around the world. It is a modern enterprise with industry university research all in one. Overseas branches and offices have been set up in India, Vietnam, Dubai, and Ethiopia, etc. Hongfa's business covers global, can provide special mechanical production lines and professional, customized factory construction solutions, and the high quality is deserve your trust. Hongfa Honor, China well-known brand, national contract abiding and trustworthy enterprise, national high-tech enterprise, Gazella Company, and National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise, etc. Develop independently more than 200 patented technologies and deeply cooperating with a number of well-known scientific research institutes and universities to transform scientific research results into a powerful driving force for corporate progress. Product framework. The businesses are divided into 6 categories, namely 1. Hydro-generating machinery. 2. Mining machinery. 3. High-level building materials equipment. 4. Environmental protection treatment equipment. 5. Heavy steel structures. 6. Various mechanical processing equipment. All of Hongfa Heavy Machinery's products can provide the completed factory construction solutions for you. Production categories. Hydro-generating machinery include axial turbine generator machinery, Francis turbine generator machinery, tubular turbine generator machinery, impulse turbine generator machinery. Mining equipment include various types of crushers, cone crushers, sand-making machines, ball mills, rotary kilns, non-ferrous metal refining, inorganic non-metal processing, etc. High-level building materials equipment include AAC block production line, artificial quartz slab production line, fiber cement board equipment production line, cement production line, wall panel machine, terrazzo tile making machine, concrete block making machine, concrete mixing station, roof tile making machine, cement pipe making machine, and other equipment. Environmental protection treatment equipment include urban sewage treatment equipment, kitchen waste, organic fertilizer production line with livestock and poultry manure treatment, harmless treatment equipment for animal carcasses, desulfurization and removal equipment, and intelligent chemical plants for aerobic fermentation treatment of organic solid waste. Heavy steel structures include heavy steel structures, steel structure bridges, steel structure workshops, steel structure buildings, steel structure platforms, steel structure sheds, membrane structure projects, etc. Main customer cases. Indian main leader and Rising Hongfa confirmed to promote the Rising Hongfa's lightweight wall panel machine production line all over India. Ethiopian government leaders and chairman of ECWC visit Hongfa Heavy Machinery's new lightweight composite wall panel production line to promote the renovation of Green Wall. Uzbekistan government leaders visit the site and talk over the construction project of automatic autoclaved aerated blocks AAC production line to produce new environmentally friendly building materials. Overseas customer delegations visit Hongfa Heavy Machinery's new building materials equipment, learn more about the new EPS cement board technology. Hongfa faces to the global and adheres to the core drive of first-class quality, first-class service, and first-class credibility. Be a pioneer in the industry. and an expert in technical solutions. Create higher value for customers with the concept of service first, customer foremost.